for our physical growth. Plants also need food that is called manure. Today we are going to give eggshells as food to the plants. Eggshells provide your plants with calcium through nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Are most vital for healthy growth. Calcium is also essential for building bones, the cell wall of the plant. Before putting eggshell in plant, we need to brush it.